Oh.
It has the hot salsa. Aww.
Hi guys, welcome to Jaya and Kaelyn. Today we're going to be doing the Marshmallow Roulette challenge. Yeah, so these are the rules. So we have 9 marshmallows on this plate. 3 of them will have hot salsa in it. The others won't. And if you get marshmallows if you were to pick up a marshmallow with hot salsa and you pick up another one, then you would have to eat a spoonful of hot sauce.
Yeah, so basically, whoever gets 2 marshmallows that have the hot salsa in it will have to eat a spoonful of hot salsa as the punishment. And they'll also be the loser, of course.
Okay, so we're gonna get started now. I don't know which one.
You just gotta pick one.
I'm scared. I don't know which one to pick.
You're not gonna know. That's the whole point of the game. You just gotta pick.
Just gotta go for it. You gotta pick one. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it.
Yay, he picked it.
Just chew it up. If it's got the hot sauce in it, you can spit it out in this bowl. Come on. That's the challenge.
Just bite it down the middle. Is it good? Is it good? Yeah! It's good.
Alright, hurry up and eat it.
We have to move on to the next marshmallow. I don't have the hot sauce. We're never gonna get out. I'm gonna just keep going around
Go
that.
ahead, Jay. You can pick one now.
This one. Oh.
It has the hot salsa. Aww.
Don't spill it on your clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to eat some more? Uh-oh, how was that?
Jay's got one. Let's
One
see.
down. Kaelyn's next.
You don't have to finish it up. Jay, you don't have to finish it.
I'm taking for this one. Okay, I'm gonna pick
All right. Put the whole thing in your mouth. Chew.
this one. Ah!
What's your turn, Jay?
You got it.
Hot salsa.
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Hold on, Jay.
Kaelyn, you gotta eat a little bit more.
Yeah, eat a little bit. Take a bite.
You gotta take a bite of it.
A big bite. He's like, no!
Ah, yeah.
Guys.
Hold on, Jay. Do you know which one you got? There's one more left. I hope you chose wisely.
Oh. I think it's these 3. Okay, let me try now.
Y'all are getting through the ones with it in there pretty quick.
Good one.
Hold on, Kay. You know which one you're gonna pick?
Is one of these spicy?
Of course.
There's only one left.
One more.
Just pick one, girl.
Just pick one with your feelings. Hurry up. I don't know if it's this one or this one.
You won't know.
You don't know.
No one knows. You just gotta pick one.
Only. I don't want to
no one
eat a
knows.
spoon of it. Here's what I like. Pick it. Oh!
You touched it. Let's go. You gotta grab it now.
Big bite, big bite.
He's right.
Okay.
All right, see?
I know what I want.
Uh-oh, Jay.
I think it's in there. Let me see. Can you see it? Oh yeah, she got it. She got
Oh,
You didn't take a
notice
big
it?
enough bite.
it. I don't want to eat it.
Oh, so it's in there?
Yeah, I didn't see it.
It's burning your mouth now?
No.
You must not have taken a big
You
enough
didn't
bite.
take a big enough bite. Nibble, nibble.
Well, it's okay. You have to do a spoonful now anyway.
I don't want a spoonful.
That's the challenge.
Well, she got two spicy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh!
You got one.
Well, how about I get a little?
How about y'all can finish those marshmallows now, and then Kaelyn, I have to take a spoonful. You can get,
Good.
Kaelyn, you can get another one. There's no more that have spicy in it.
Hey. They have spicy in it.
No,
I'm
they
just
don't.
kidding. Guys, comment down below if you did this and if you won or the other person won. Because I won this one.
All right, Kaelyn. We won't make you try a big spoonful. Just a small spoonful, and then guess what? You can eat some more marshmallows after.
If I don't eat them all.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on.
You got to.
You lost. Open up, open up. Open, open. Open, open, open. Mhm. Spicy, spicy.
I win. I was
See, that wasn't too bad, was it?
The last marshmallow doesn't have spicy stuff in it. Oh,
Shouldn't.
it's crunchy.
You got frosted lipstick now. Blue frosted lipstick. Oh, Jaya.
Okay guys, so that was the Marshmallow Roulette Challenge. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our video. Give us a lot of thumbs up. Comment down below if you did this challenge and tell us what you put in the marshmallows. And that's all. Bye.